Your car is out to get you. Like that time you took a picture of your odometer at 60,000 miles?
Here we go, here we go.
And the engine killed itself? And your car was like,
Get it? Because that's when the warranty expires.
that's why you need Olive, the easiest way to cover your car from mechanical breakdowns. Just like your warranty used to, before it died of old mileage.
He was so young.
What's the difference between car insurance and Olive? Most car insurance only covers damage from a thief, a fire, or an accident. Like if a meteorite hits your car. But car insurance doesn't cover engine failure, corrupted computers, or dead transmissions. You do.
Horse apples!
But you may not have to anymore with Olive. We're not saying ditch your car insurance. Accidents happen, but breakdowns are 50 times more likely.
I'm not having a breakdown!
Getting set up with Olive is easy. It's one of the only breakdown coverage providers available completely online. And if you can buy a car online, you should be able to cover it online.
You got me online?
Craigslist.
I'm adopted?
Just click, quote, customize your plan, and you're covered 100% online. And Olive is affordable. Most Olive customers pay just $60 a month. Compare that to $3,000 to replace a transmission. Other companies bombard you with robocalls.
Hello?
What are you wearing?
Red hoodie, little strings.
But Olive has a spam-free guarantee. No robocalls, sleazy salesmen, or interaction with human beings required.
I'm human.
Olive also has an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau.
I have A+ hair.
You're still on the phone?
He won't let me hang.
You can't stop your car from being a jerk. But now, you don't have to pay for it. Click the link to sign up for Olive today. So next time your car hears about your trip to Hawaii and blows a gasket, you can laugh, keep your money, and head to the Big Island anyway. Now you're napping on a beach while your car gets a colonoscopy.
All right, buddy, turn your head and honk.
Olive has easy monthly payments, no waiting period for coverage, and no long-term contracts. Pay month to month, cancel anytime. Just know what will happen the moment you do.
Undo!
What did you just do?
I'm not sure.
So if you have a car, cover it. All of it. At olive.com.
What about the transmission?
We're covered.
Radio, heat, the alternator, CD player? Why do we have a CD player? Air conditioner? Struts?
Covered.
Amazing.